Hello, my name is Olakunle Tayo Obademi, and this is my CSE 310 Module 2 project. I select the web application module. I created a React web application called 24 Hours Written Planner. The purpose of this app is to help users plan and track daily activity across the whole 24 hours in a day. It helps organize routine blocks by category, track schedule and completed hours, measure progress towards completing each day plan activity. And just before I demonstrate this application, I would briefly explain my project structure. This is my root file, and this is my file structure. And this is where I have my important files in my source file, which contains the app.js, main.js styles, and of course I have my index.html file also here. I will run you through what my files and what some of them does. My main .js file. This is the entry point of my application, and what it does is it loads app components and connect React to the web page, which is the HTML file. And also the app.js files contain core application logic, including written data, React state management, form handling, and local storage filtering, calculation and users interaction. And of course, I have my style sheet here, which controls the design and the layout of the application. And in my HTML file, which contains the root element where the React application is rendered, I have my package.json file, which stores project information, dependency, and script used to run and build this application. And of course, I have my README, which document the project and explain how it works, and my node module, which contain the installed packages. Now, quickly, I will go to the project overview. As you can see, it runs and everything is okay. I'm going to launch it here. This is the app, and you can see it's running. This app is running locally in the browser on a Vite development server. The top section shows schedule hour, completed hours, progress, and open book. And also this section, this is where I can add another block, which I will do now. Then I can measure my progress, as I can click OK when I complete a progress. For instance, I can complete OK for work responsibility or not. I can edit and delete. For instance, let's quickly add a written block. And in this instance, I want to add evening prayer activity. Then I want to say prayer, and it's going to be 1 hour, and it's still going to be today. And what we'll be doing is going to be quiet time. And if I click add, it's going to increase the schedule hour. the schedule hour has increased to 20. And the same way, if I want to edit, for instance, I have 8 hours for sleep and monitor rest, I can decide to reduce the number of hours to 6 hours, as you can see. And if I click save, this would reduce my schedule hour to 18 because I've reduced 2 hours from this. And it can decide to delete. For instance, if I decide to delete evening reflection and planning that I'm planning for tomorrow, I can edit it and change it to 3 hours if I want to. If I do, it will increase my schedule time to 19. And in total, I can decide to delete the evening reflection planning for tomorrow, which would eventually reduce my schedule time from 19, because I will be reducing 3 hours from it, to 16, as the case may be. So, and basically, yeah. And in my app.js file, I have this line of code here that imports React, use memo, and use state. And what it does is defining browser key, 24 hours goals, and the category used throughout the app. And I also have this function here, which creates a unique ID for each routine, block. And also, I have this block of code. Yeah, that defines the routine for that day that I pick, which is Saturday. This defines the total of all the items I put together. The evening reflection, the meals, family time. So it defines them. And basically, in conclusion, this project demonstrates a React and Vite web application that uses state management, form handling, filtering, dashboard calculation, local storage, persistence, and responsive design. In the future, this is what I like to do. I would like to add export and import features, then optional start and end times. That will be the end of my video. Thank you.